All right, this video is going to help you with a curve, and I'm going to write a circle function. So you can see I started to make the line for the bottom of this nose, but I could leave it like that. This is just a linear function that I made here, but I would like to get the curve right to get the bottom of the nose right. So I'm going to take away this linear function, start writing a circle function. At first, I'm going to show you, the general function of a circle. And once you start playing with it, it's not too bad. There's a number on the other side. It could be whatever you want. I'm just going to put a 12 to get started with. That deals with like the radius of the circle, how large it is. Okay, so now let's shift this thing. We're going to get shifted all the way over to match the bottom of that nose. So first, let's get this. I'm going to shift it over. Let's see, 5 looks too far, so I'm going to do 4 point. Do 4 point. Let's leave it there for a second. Okay, but if you notice, like the curviness of my circle doesn't quite match the curviness of the nose. So I'm going to play with the, it's kind of like the slope of a linear function. That would be the number, the coefficient for x. So I'm going to play with this a little bit, like 0.9 looks pretty close. I'm going to move the circle. Let's go ahead and move it up a little bit. Let's see. Minus point, let's see. Looks pretty close. I need to move it over a little bit. That looks pretty close. I'm going to shift it over a little bit, and I'm going to shift it up some more. So I'm going to change this y. When I'm shifting it up, I want to change the y number. That looks pretty close. Like the 4 was pretty close, but when I add another 4, that was very close. It looks like it matches it pretty well. Okay, so now I'm going to go set the domain to cut off all the excess that we don't need. Go ahead and set, we want x to be between 2 numbers. So this value here is just a little, you can click on that right there. That's 3.05. So that's what I want my smaller x value to be. And if you go over here, that's like 3.9-ish. So let's start with that and then see if we need to edit it. 3.9, it looks like a little bit further out. Click on this. Okay, just a little bit further. Hard to see. 3.98. That goes too far. 3.95. Let's see. I'm also going to go ahead and change this to orange. Okay, I'm going to click off my picture. You can unclick your picture, and I like how that looks. Okay, that is a circle function.